In just a few hours, 1,800 Providence nurses and clinicians plan to walk off the job after failing to reach an agreement with management following months of negotiations. Providence executives say a replacement workforce is in place and they'll be ready to serve the community, but in a limited capacity. Fox 12's So-Young Kim has the story.
I love being a nurse. I'm a labor and delivery nurse.
Molly Burchell has worked at Providence, Portland for over 2 decades. On Monday, she'll join roughly 1,800 fellow Providence nurses and clinicians from Portland, Seaside, and home health and hospice units on a 5-day strike.
I'm really disappointed. We really wanted to avoid this.
The Oregon Nurses Association calls the strike a last resort after many months of failed negotiations that started last October. ONA says their requests for competitive wage and benefits packages, as well as safe staffing procedures, haven't been met. Even after they announced their intent to strike, ONA says they'd remained hopeful.
We have made ourselves available. We were really hoping to try to iron out our differences before we walked out.
Providence health officials tell us since being notified of the plan to strike, they've been focused on staffing.
We have replacement nurses that are here and prepared to take care of the patients.
But do say some services may be limited.
If there is an emergency, we're here for them and can take care of them. But if it's something that can wait or they can go to a different hospital for, we ask that they do so.
Both sides tell us they're hopeful they could reach a resolution soon after the strike.
We hope they hear it. We hope they come back to the table ready to hammer it out and get a fair contract for all of us.
My hope is that at the end of the strike period, our nurses are able to come back to work and we're able to sit down at the table and negotiate a fair and reasonable contract.
So-Young Kim, Fox 12 Oregon.
ONA tells us the last nurses' strike in Oregon was more than 20 years ago in 2001 at OHSU. The strike picket line will kick off tomorrow morning at 5:30 at Providence Portland Medical Center on Northeast Gleason Street.